Thank you for trusting Propex erosion control and soil stabilization solutions for your project. This video will demonstrate the proper procedure for using Propex PYRAWALL to construct your reinforced soil wall or steepened slope. Once you've laid out the HPTRM and placed the bracing, you can begin to fill the PYRAWALL lift with soil or approved fill. Place 7 to 8 inches of soil approved by the engineer along the backfill zone. Fill around the braces first. Compact the soil lift to the specified density per the engineer's recommendation. Vibratory plate compactors should not be used within 3 inches of the face. Jumping jack or rammer compactors should not be used within 12 inches of the face. Hand-tamp, where the compactor cannot reach. After the first lift is placed and compacted, place topsoil fill along the face to promote vegetation of the PYRAWALL. Carefully hand-tamp the topsoil fill around the braces. Place a second lift of soil along the backfill zone and compact it to bring the total height to 12 inches at the face. For internal seeding, broadcast seed along the topsoil fill prior to bringing back the top wrap. The compacted lift thickness away from the face should be approximately 11 inches to allow for a thin soil layer to be placed between consecutive HPTRM wraps. Fold the outboard portion of the HPTRM wrap layer over the backfill zone. Pull taut to remove any wrinkles and pin down. Spread 1 inch of backfill soil evenly across the fabric in preparation for the next wrapped lift. Ensure that the fine soil is free of any coarse gravel or large particles. Repeat these steps for each lift added to the PYRAWALL. Incorporate a setback within each lift to provide the desired overall slope, angle, or wall batter. Establish vegetation by seeding within the wall lift, live staking, or hydroseeding after construction. Seed application rate, seed type, sod type, and irrigation rate should follow the landscape designer's recommendations based on local or site-specific knowledge. During installation, be sure to follow all local safety guidelines and direction per the engineer of record. For additional details, please see the full PYRAWALL installation guidelines available at propexglobal.com.